Here's how people turn an easy wax job into a full body workout. And here's the right idea. Get wax on the applicator, then work it in. Stop going back to the jar every 5 seconds. This is the problem. Way too much product. If you can draw a road map through the wax with your finger, you didn't apply buff off. You frosted the truck. Look at this applicator, completely overloaded. The microfiber is packed and shiny because it's holding more wax than the panel needs. Now you're not buffing off a finish, you're fighting through wasted product. More towels, more effort, more frustration. Now do it the right way. One light dip, then spread what's already on the applicator. Work it into the surface, thin, even, and controlled. That's all you need. See the difference? Barely any visible wax on the panel, barely a fingerprint, and the applicator still isn't overloaded. That's how buff off is designed to work. If you need more proof, the heavy application took 4 minutes 25 seconds. That's not better protection, that's just extra work. Applied thin, the same job took 1 minute 31 seconds. Use less, work it in, buff it off.